Hey guys, we're live at 9:47, and we are running a 3-winner mini for Spencer's solid black Imperial. I got 10 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random. Find our winners. Here they are, 1 through 10. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We did. We got an 8. We're in great shape for a mini battle. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Donnie, round 1. Andrew, 2. And 3. And 4. He's rolling. Donnie, round 5. And 6. Andrew, round 7. And our winners are... Andrew takes it. Numbers 9, 2, and 5. Congrats, Andrew. ECKTYS. There you have it. 9, 2, and 5. I am done at 9:48. There you have it. Again, here's the results. Congrats to the winner. See you next time, guys. Thanks.